The TV-SPME protocol is significant because it can analyze a wide range of samples, including drugs, racing fuels, explosive materials, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. No filtration is needed because only volatile analytes will vaporize. So, dirty samples or suspensions can be analyzed. Various sample matrices can be used, including organic or aqueous solvents. The main advantage of the TV-SPME technique is its high sensitivity. TV-SPME demonstrates better sensitivity than standard liquid injection, headspace SPME, and immersion SPME. TV-SPME also has the benefit of utilizing large sample volumes without any changes to the GC instrumentation.
TV-SPME is a very simple technique to perform. The main difficulty comes from ensuring the proper volume has been delivered. The use of small manual or electronic syringes can help, as well as taking your time while sampling. It can also be difficult to ensure the fiber maintains its coating, so fibers must be monitored closely for degradation. Visual demonstration is crucial because both manual and robotic manipulations are required to be successful.
To begin, extract or dissolve the solid sample in enough solvent to reach the desired concentration. After ensuring that the sample is fully dissolved, calculate the volume needed to fully vaporize it at the chosen temperature. Transfer this sample volume into a headspace vial and secure the cap. If derivatizing the sample, prepare the proper derivatization agent by placing approximately 1 milliliter of the agent into a headspace vial. Set the proper incubation and extraction temperature, ensuring total vaporization, sufficient sample extraction, and complete derivatization.